Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something. Perhaps you have seen my video, or better 86 of you have for sure seen my video about how to build your own pin. This one, for example. And now that I have 3 or 4 pins made by myself, the problem is where to put them when I don't use it. So I thought a solution for this very big problem. That's why I want you to comment, I want you to click the like button or dislike button, and overall subscribe. And I've decided that the best way to recover my pins is to put them in a box and to place them on a cardboard, but with a nice green tissue over. Let's see the work, this very great work. I know that you are so happy to see this, and I'm so glad to show you. So first of all, you have to do this. Then you have to cut. Check. It's a little bit larger. Perfect. Then you have to just to cover with the tissue. 1 and 2. And to do this, I need vinyl glue, this glue. Perfect. We put a tissue over, press a little bit, then you have to wait about 1 hour the glue to dry. Then you can go further. The glue is dry. I finish. I cut it all around. Then I finish and I check. Wow, it's very nice. Perfect. Now we can put our pin on this base. Willows. On the back you can put this to stop. 3 and Have you seen that I've used different kind of stoppers? These are the right one for the pins, and these are for the earrings. Perfect. Put inside the box, close the box, and here we have our box for the pins. And this is it. And for the one of you that have missed my wonderful video on how to do your own pin, link in the description here under. And here under there's also the subscribe button. Nice? Yes. Ciao.